National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 174, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Virginia: Accomack, Gloucester, James City, Northampton, and York, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Hampton, Newport News, Bogosin and Williamsburg, and Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
But it's clear out.
For later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Surprise.